Hey guys, it's Geek Out Everything, and today we are back with the video, guys. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Android 10 in any of your Android device. So guys, just first go to this website. I have the link in the description below. Just go there and search for your device, and this is the website where you find the Android 10 ROM for your device. And just check first if it's available for your device or not. I am going to install it in my Redmi 3S Prime, which is actually a pretty old device, and for this the Android 10 ROM is available, surprisingly. So just go there, guys, and just download it and put it in your micro SD card or OTG pen drive according to your personal preference. Just don't put it in your internal storage because you're gonna wipe that out. So guys, as of now this device is running on Pixel Experience ROM based on Android 9, which is Pie, and we are gonna upgrade it to Android 10. So let me just show you. As you can see, it is actually running on Android 9, which is Pie, and we are gonna upgrade it to Android 10. So guys, for that you should have TWRP recovery installed in your phone, because that's what we need here. And if you don't know what is TWRP recovery, it's a custom recovery for Android. If you don't have it, just search for how to install TWRP recovery in your device, and you will definitely find any video about that, and just install it in your phone. And after that you can just follow these steps. So guys, just boot into your recovery and just take the backup first, because in case something goes wrong you will have all of your data. So yep, and you can just take backup in your micro SD card or OTG pen drive according to your personal preference. Just select the storage, micro SD card. If you're using micro SD card, you can just go for that, and if you're using OTG, you can use that. So guys, after taking backup, you just have to go to the wipe, and you just have to wipe all of your data on the system and all that stuff. So just go to just select delve cache system data in cache, and it just gives error kind of like that. Then you have to reset your device first, then just tap yes and reset your device. I don't know, but sometimes it gives errors like this. But after that, guys, just go to the wipe again and select delve cache system data in cache and wipe that out, and it will just completely wipe your operating system from your device. And then just put your pen drive in again and go to install again. And now just select your OTG. If it does not show up, guys, don't worry, just reboot your recovery back again. So just reboot into your recovery again, and then after it will just show you all the data in your OTG pen drive. Now guys, go to install again, and now just select your storage to OTG, and as you can see, we have all our data showing up here. And just select your ROM and just install it. And guys, it will take a little time, so just wait, and after that we'll come back. So guys, as you can see, it has completed, and now you just have to just reboot into your system. And now guys, just it will take about 10 minutes to just boot into the system. So guys, just don't worry, just sit back and wait. So guys, as you can see, we have successfully booted into the Android 10, and I've already set it up. So let me just show you the Android version quickly. So as you can see, we are running on Android 10 here, which is really good, and we'll talk about the bugs and all that stuff later. But it's actually, I think, a stable version, but it's not stable yet. I don't know why. And if you just, guys, let me just show you some of the features. Like digital well-being is here, which is the newer version, which comes with the Pixel as well. So this is the newer version of the digital well-being. So if you're into that, then it's here. And if you just go to the system, we have our gestures as well. The same which comes with the Pixel 4 as well. As you can see, all that gesture we have, you can turn it on or off if you want. And so guys, yeah, That's what it is. System navigation, which is your three buttons. If you just disable it, it will use your all these three buttons instead of the gesture. So guys, if you just go to the security, you will not find the fingerprint scanner option. So yep, that's a kind of a bug, like fingerprint option is not there. I don't know why, but I think in future it will get fixed. But as of now, the fingerprint option is not there. And guys, if you go to the camera, we have a Google camera mod installed as a default camera, and everything is working fine, like front camera, portrait mode and all that stuff is working fine. I've checked it, so you don't have to worry about that. And guys, as you can see, the VoLTE is also not working for the second sim. I think for the first sim the VoLTE is working, but for the second sim it's not working. I don't know why. The in Pi version this bug was not there, but as of now the VoLTE is not working for this sim number 2. So guys, if you want to just install Android 10 in your phone, then I would recommend you to just if you want, then do it. If something goes wrong, you can restore your backup and nothing will go wrong there. So yep. So guys, that's for this video, and I have all the links in the description so you can check that out. And if you just simply like this video guys, then hit the like button. If you dislike, you know what to do, but if you like, then get subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really happy if you do that. And goodbye, see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.